Who is the Land Surveyor of India? Who is land survey done by? What is the meaning of surveyors? Who is the Land Surveyor of India? Land surveyors help build India's infrastructure by giving accurate measurements and data on land and its features. The Institution of Surveyors of India was created by the Indian government to regulate the profession and support its growth. Scon Design provides geospatial, land surveying, and mapping services. It has branches across India and is headquartered in Mumbai. Since 1983, the company has served clients in real estate, construction, infrastructure, and mining with high-quality services. Scon Design is one of India's leading land surveying businesses due to its knowledge and skills. GPS, total stations, and drones are used to correctly measure and map the area. Topography, soil properties, water bodies, vegetation, and other elements are vital for project planning and execution, and land surveyors offer this data. India's land surveying profession is regulated by the Institution of Surveyors of India. It certifies land surveyors who meet specified requirements. Professionals can update their skills and knowledge through the institution's continuing education programs. Scon Design is one of India's top land surveying firms due to its skill and experience. Land surveyors will continue to help India expand its infrastructure and improve its residents' lives. Who is land survey done by? Land surveying entails measuring and mapping a piece of land. It determines a property's boundaries, location, and features. Professional assistance is needed because the process needs specific expertise and equipment. Land surveying is normally done by licensed experts. Scon Design is one of the greatest land surveying businesses. Scon Design has the skills and resources to survey a modest residential property or a large commercial project. Scon Design's land surveying services follow industry standards and are efficient and thorough. Scon Design's data collection and mapping experts use cutting-edge tools. They also explain the survey results and how they affect the property to their clientele. Land surveying is more than just charting and measuring. Scon Design is one of the top surveying firms. Scon Design is the place to go for land surveys. What is the meaning of surveyors? Land, buildings, and other physical features are measured and mapped by surveyors. They correctly measure and record the size, location, and other data of the items they survey using a range of tools and techniques. Scon Design is one of the industry's top surveyors. Topographical and border surveys are Scon Design's specialty. Scon Design's trained and experienced surveyors are a major asset. These surveyors have years of expertise and know the latest surveying methods. Quality is another thing that sets Scon Design distinct from other surveying companies. All surveys are accurate and reliable due to the company's quality control. They follow industry standards and use advanced equipment and software to measure accurately. They provide excellent customer service and consistently offer high-quality results. Surveyors measure and map our physical world. They employ a variety of instruments and methods to accurately survey land, buildings, and other objects. Due to their skilled specialists, attention to quality, and excellent customer service, Scon Design is the greatest surveying firm. Thanks for watching.